everybody, this is Victoria from Trumpkim Packing Technology Company. Today I will introduce something about Spring Festival. The Spring Festival is the most important festival in China. It is on January 1st according to the Chinese lunar calendar. Before New Year's Day, people are very busy shopping and cleaning their houses. On New Year's Eve, every family has a delicious feast. All the family stays up late to welcome the festival and people burn firecrackers to celebrate. On the first day of the Spring Festival, people put their new clothing and visit their relatives and friends. They will say good luck and Happy New Year to each other. And children are very happy because they can get the lucky money from their parents and relatives. There are also land dances and some other activities, which last at least 3 days. All the families have a very good time during the festival. And here, Trumpkim Packing Technology wish everybody a Happy New Year.